Hey everyone, welcome to filing a warranty claim with PureGear. This video will help guide you through getting a new replacement product and is not related to the Pure Pledge program. Before we start, one thing to keep in mind is this process applies to a single product only. If you have multiple claims, you will need to fill them out individually using this process. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is fill out all of your personal information into the top of the form. This will be your name, street address, apartment number if you have one, your city, zip code, country, state, phone number, and finally email address. All of the fields with an asterisk are required, so double check you're not leaving any of them blank, otherwise you won't be able to move on. Now we're going to move to the second half of the warranty claim form, which will ask us for the product details. Be sure to start with select the product you want replaced. This field must be filled out first in order to unlock the fields below. You can find all of the available products through this drop-down menu. For our example, we'll select HD tempered glass. Now select your product details. Our example will be an iPhone 11 Pro. Next, we'll fill out the problem field. In our example, our problem is cracked glass, so we'll select that. Now we'll need to input the original purchase date of our product. You can find this on your receipt if you don't remember. If you don't have a receipt, a rough estimate will be fine. If you ordered the product from our website and have a PureGear order number, you would input that next. Otherwise, go ahead and leave it blank. If you have your original receipt, you can upload it here. While it's not required, it will help our customer service department have a better understanding of your situation. We'll go ahead and click Browse and navigate to a receipt that we have on our desktop. Then press Choose and it will upload to the form. In the next field, you can also upload a picture of the problem you are having with your product. Again, this field is not required, but the more information, the better. Now, we're going to navigate to a picture of our broken screen protector. We had previously taken these on our phone and sent them to our computer. This last field is going to ask where you purchased this product. This question is required, so make sure you choose an option before moving on. We got ours from AT&T. Before moving on, please note there will be a standard $11.95 shipping fee for all replacements in the US. Once we double check everything, we'll head over to the Submit button on the bottom right of the form. Press Submit and a PayPal button will appear. Go ahead and press the button and you'll be presented with 3 ways to pay for the shipping. If you have a PayPal account already, you can go ahead and log in to pay. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can pay with any major credit card or bank debit card by clicking the option below. Fill in all of your card details here, and when you're done, press Pay Now. And that's it. You should be presented with a PureGear message showing that your claim has been received and is in process. You will also receive an email for your PayPal payment, along with a PureGear confirmation email. Please allow us 7 to 10 business days for processing and delivery. And please contact our customer service department if you have any further questions. Thank you for your business.